Good morning, student. So welcome back to our science class. Okay, no, as you know that we have already started chapter number 5, solid, liquid and gases. I have explained the chapter, and also we are discussing the exercise of the chapter. So we will continue from the exercise. So before starting the class, I expect everyone to have your science copy, science book, and your pencil and pen. Okay. From the question answer part, we will write down in the science copy. So now I will discuss. First of all, I discussed the fill in the blanks. I will start from fill in the blanks today. Then I will go to that very short answer question. Yes, very good morning. Okay. So let us start. No. So all of you must have your pencil with you. You will first mark down with the pencil in your book that fill in the blanks. I am starting from the fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. I have written the name of the chapter, chapter 5, solid, liquid and gases. Okay. This is from page number 31. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Okay. You are ready now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So before starting, all of you will mute your microphone. No sound should come into my ear. Okay. You will mute your microphone. What you have to write, what you have to tell me, you will reply in the chat box. Okay. When I will ask you, you can tell or you can write down in the chat box. Okay, number 1, the molecules in solids are very dash packed. It is closely packed. Okay. Number 2, solids have dash volume. Solids have a definite volume. A definite volume. Number 3, the solute and the solvent together form a solution. The solute and the solvent together form a solution. Okay. Number 4, fishes breathe in dash dissolved in water. Fishes breathe in oxygen. As they are living under the water, means they are aquatic animal, no? So they are actually breathing in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Oxygen. Number 5, molecules of gases have very dash spaces between them. So molecules of gases have very large spaces between them. Okay. Then number 6, gases and liquids are called dash. Gases and liquids are called fluids. Okay. Yes. Number 7, the substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we have done. See here closely. First one, fill in the blanks. I am starting from the fill in the blanks today. So I will discuss here. Number 1 is closely. Number 2 is a definite. Number 3 is solution. Number 4 is oxygen. Number 5 is large. Number 6 is fluids. Number 7 is solute. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next one I will discuss from Very short answer question. Now you will write this in your science copy. All of you will take out your science copy now. You will first you write down the question, then you will write the answer what I am writing. Very short answer question. Number one answer. I am not writing the question, I will write only the answer. Name one solid that does not dissolve in water. You will write a solid that does not dissolve in water is stone. I can write stone. Okay, it does not dissolve in water. Next, number 2, name the state of matter that flows more easily than liquid.
Gas.
Yes, so the correct statement I will write, the state of matter that flows more easily than liquids, more easily than liquids is gas. You will underline gas. Okay, the state of matter that flows more easily than liquids is gas. Okay, number 3, which state of matter has a definite shape and volume?
Solid.
Yes, very good. So you will write solid state, or you will write solid has a, underline the solid has a definite shape and volume. Okay, so number 4, solid has a definite shape and volume. Number 4, which gas escapes rapidly when we open a bottle of soda water?
Bubbles.
Wrong. Yes, wrong, it is carbon dioxide. Okay, so you will write answer, will write carbon dioxide. You will underline carbon dioxide gas escapes rapidly when we open a bottle of soda water. Carbon dioxide gas escapes rapidly when we open a bottle of soda water. Please, somebody has not yet mute the microphone. Mute his or her microphone. Please mute the microphone. Some sound is coming. So what I have done from very short answer question I will discuss, then we will go to short answer question. See, now very short answer question. I hope you will all writing in your science copy. Number 1, name one solid that does not dissolve in water. A solid that does not dissolve in water is stone. Okay. Next question is, name the state of matter. Name the state of matter that flows more easily than liquids. The state of matter that flows more easily than liquids is gas. Okay. Okay, next question. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Your answer is solid. Solid has a definite shape and volume. Okay. All of you remember, you must write this way the statement, okay? Not one single word for this very short answer question. As I have written on the board, you will write it down this manner. Okay. Which gas escapes rapidly when you open a bottle of soda water? Answer is carbon dioxide gas escapes rapidly when we open a bottle of soda water. Okay. I think all of you have completed. Okay. Shailaja is present. Shailaja Bandyopadhyay. Okay. Not present. Okay. Okay. Those who are present, please write down quickly. Okay. So Ria, write quickly. I have to rub the board, because now we will do that short answer question, section D, short answer question. Also you will write this in your science copy. Okay, right. No need of giving the present now. Okay, I have not told. I have told those who are present, you will write it quickly from the board. Okay. Okay, Jisan. Okay. Right, you have completed. All of you have completed. Can I rub the board now? Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll rub the board now. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Tanishtha present. Deboshmi. Divyanka, where is she?
Sir, Devukosmi's name is Divyanka.
Deboshmi. Deboshmi is present.
No, sir. Home rate is Devyani rate.
Okay. So we will do now short answer question. Okay. First of all, you write down the question. Question number 1. You write it down quickly. Number D. Short answer question. Okay. Number 1. Write any two properties. Write any two properties of liquids. Answer. Two properties of liquids are. Two properties of liquids are number A, you'll write liquids have no definite shape. Liquids have no definite shape.
Number B, liquid can flow easily.
Okay, I will write other property. Okay, I will write liquids. You can write that one. That one is also correct. Okay, liquids have a definite volume. Have a definite volume. Okay, so two properties of liquids are liquids have no definite shape, and B, liquids have a definite volume. Okay, now we will write the next question. That will be the last question for today's class. Okay, question number 2. What is the question? Question is, write any two properties of gases. Write any two properties of gases. Okay, write any two properties of gases. So I'll write here two properties of gases are. Okay, number A, I will write gases have no definite shape and volume. Okay, yes,
It can flow more easily than liquids.
okay, very good. Gases have no definite shape and volume, and B, gases can flow more easily than liquids. Okay, gases can flow more easily than liquids. Okay, okay, somebody is singing, I can hear.
Sir, only singing.
Nobody will disturb here. Okay, okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so I will discuss what I have done from short answer question, then I will end the class. Write any two properties of liquids. Two properties of liquids are liquids have no definite shape, and B, liquids have a definite volume. And number 2, write any two properties of gases. Two properties of gases are gases have no definite shape and volume, and B, gases can flow more easily than liquids. So okay student, so that's all for today's class. In our next class I will continue from the same section D, short answer question from the exercise of chapter number 5, solid, liquid and gases. So till then, goodbye to everyone and thank you. Okay, bye.